BeWare. Monitoring, managing, predicting and preventing crime and calamities. Crime and calamities can often be predicted and can therefore also be prevented. This has been proven by BeWare. BeWare is a security concept that can optimize the protection of every area or building in such a way that crime and calamities can be managed exceptionally well, using advanced technologies such as intelligent sensors, data mining, and 3D virtualization. Control room operators and crisis teams are inundated with data. The intelligence of systems will ensure a strict selection. However, that also means that a lot of data is lost. This data is valuable as it would make it possible to map out all risks. BeWare analyzes all data and uses it to bring all security measures into a unified whole. BeWare has 4 cornerstones, and each of these contributes significantly to the unprecedented effectiveness of the concept. BeWare uses an extremely realistic 3D virtualization of the area that is to be protected. Any changes, even during the process, can quickly be added. All security measures are introduced into the 3D design. This means that the functional effect of any security measures that are taken is instantly clear. It is immediately obvious how the risk profile can be reduced. One very unique feature is that all the management costs are also visible. The advanced virtual 3D visualization of BeWare gives a high degree of situational awareness. Data from premises, alarm systems, cameras and other sensors can be requested within the virtual environment. The calamity can now be seen both in the camera images and in the 3D environment. The control room operator looks at the scene to determine exactly what the situation is. In this regard, he naturally also makes optimum use of the 3D features. Only then does he take the required action. Security personnel and crisis teams no longer have to rely on a 2-dimensional map, but can view and use absolutely all factors within the environment. BeWare's engine is a powerful system that's able to receive and process data from all possible systems, sensors and databases, and to perform state-of-the-art risk analyses on this data. Should the risk exceed a predetermined limit, BeWare provides the control room operator with a recommendation for action. The control room operator will then decide whether or not to follow that recommendation. Thanks to the cameras and the virtual 3D environment, the control room operator is able to provide the patrol officer with precise details of the problem, exactly where the calamity has occurred, and the best way of approaching the calamity. A unique feature is that the virtual 3D environment can also be used for education and training. The location of almost every conceivable calamity can be simulated in the computer without incurring significant costs and without this requiring downtime of production processes or the halting of traffic. The control room operator undergoes training in the environment with which he is involved in every day. Multidisciplinary training is also possible with security personnel, company emergency response officers and first aiders, and also the external emergency services such as the police, fire brigade, and the ambulance service. Due to the fact of training and practice sessions, these external emergency first responders can act much more efficiently because of the situational awareness offered by BeWare. BeWare learns continuously. The system is able to process, analyze, combine and correlate all types of possible data at a staggering speed. This includes data from public web databases or even police registers, at least if consent has been granted for that. This means that BeWare is able to continuously update the security recommendation and to continue to improve this. During the design phase, operational use, and during training and practice sessions, BeWare learns and advises. The system will observe how people respond and will look at the consequences of those responses. This results in a recommendation about how protection can be optimized further, or in an adjustment of the BeWare database, resulting in an improved way in which calamities are reported and managed. BeWare is, therefore, a dynamic concept that moves continuously together with the ever-changing factors in the environment. New risks are reported, made manageable, or even mitigated at an early stage. This means that BeWare can even prevent crime and calamities. BeWare is not a thing of the future, but is already in use in the Netherlands at business parks, at international airports, and even in the international zone in The Hague. The judicial capital of the world is aware that risks and threats constantly change, certainly at this high-risk location. In BeWare, the Municipal Council has found a system in which protection and security can be managed. This is the reason that BeWare is being used at more and more locations for monitoring, managing, predicting, and preventing crime and calamities.